Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of SEO and uncovering how OnPassive is revolutionizing the game for entrepreneurs. Now, if you're an entrepreneur in today's digital age, you know how crucial it is for your business to be visible online. But with so much competition, it can feel like an uphill battle to get your website noticed, right? That's where SEO comes in, and that's where OnPassive truly shines. We're going to break down the barriers to SEO success and show you how OnPassive can empower you to reach new customers, boost your brand's online presence, and ultimately, skyrocket your business growth. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of SEO with OnPassive. But before we jump into it, please take a moment to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks. Let's face it, in today's digital world, if your business isn't visible online, it's like you don't even exist. That's the cold, hard truth. The key to online visibility is SEO, search engine optimization. When you want to find a product or service, what do? You turn to Google or another search engine, right? Everyone does. Billions of searches happen every day. Imagine your audience searching for what you offer. Are you on that first page of search results? If not, you're missing out on potential customers. SEO is about optimizing your online presence to rank higher. It's about being the answer to your customers' questions. Crack the SEO code, and you unlock organic traffic, leads, and sales. Now you might be thinking, okay, SEO sounds great, but it's complicated and time-consuming, right? Traditional SEO can feel like a maze, especially for busy entrepreneurs. OnPassive is disrupting the SEO landscape with its innovative AI-driven tools. It's an online platform that simplifies and streamlines SEO using artificial intelligence and automation. Imagine having a team of digital marketing experts working tirelessly to boost your online presence. OnPassive offers a complete ecosystem of tools to enhance your website's visibility and drive traffic. And the best part? OnPassive is accessible to entrepreneurs of all technical skill levels. Let's dive into the heart of OnPassive's SEO power, its game-changing tools. First up, we have the Smart Business Solution, a comprehensive suite designed to elevate your online presence from every angle. With features like website and domain name registration, you can establish your online presence with ease. And with the power of click and close, lead generation and conversion become seamless. But it doesn't stop there. OnPassive's marketing automation tools empower you to create targeted campaigns that reach the right audience at the right time. No more guessing games. Just laser-focused marketing that delivers results. And let's not forget about the power of OnPassive's SEO optimization tools. From keyword research to on-page optimization and backlink building, OnPassive equips you with the tools to dominate search engine rankings and drive organic traffic to your website. OnPassive is your all-in-one platform for SEO supremacy. Now you don't have to just take my word for it. The real proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the incredible success stories from entrepreneurs just like you who are using OnPassive to crush their SEO goals. Take Sarah, for example, a small business owner who struggles to get her website noticed. When she joins OnPassive, she should see a dramatic increase in her website traffic and leads, all thanks to the platform's powerful SEO tools and automation. And then there's John, a struggling online marketer who was tired of spending countless hours on tedious SEO tasks. With OnPassive, he will be able to automate his SEO strategy, freeing up his time to focus on growing his business. These are just a few of the countless success stories that demonstrate the transformative power of OnPassive for entrepreneurs. It's about real people achieving real results, and that's what sets OnPassive apart. So, are you ready to unlock your business's true SEO potential with OnPassive? Here's how to get started. First, head over to OnPassive's website and explore the different plans available. OnPassive offers a variety of options to suit different business needs and budgets. Once you've chosen the plan that's right for you, OnPassive's dedicated support team will be there to guide you through the onboarding process, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition. From there, you can start leveraging OnPassive's powerful tools to optimize your website, automate your marketing efforts, and watch as your online presence soars to new heights. Remember, OnPassive is more than just an SEO platform, it's your trusted partner in online success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on SEO and digital marketing. Remember, in today's competitive digital landscape, SEO is non-negotiable. And with OnPassive, achieving SEO success has never been easier or more accessible. So, take the first step towards online dominance and discover the OnPassive difference today. See you next time. For more information about OnPassive and how to find financial freedom on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.